I'm sure you're tired of seeing phantom screenshot wallets like this one with $2.5 million from Trump coin, or people showing how they made thousands of dollars through trading meme coins, or this wallet that made over $3.5 million with Coin. Crypto coins are making millionaires daily. And if you're new to this market, I'm sure you're feeling very overwhelmed or just have no clue where to start. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys how I would invest $10,000 into the market right now to get the best returns. So with $10,000, I would first start off by putting $2,500 into Solana. Solana is currently the number 5 coin in the world right now, sitting around $250, which puts it at around a $124 billion market cap. So Solana is a layer 1 blockchain that solves a lot of problems compared to the Ethereum blockchain. For example, the transaction speed. Because to swap coins on Solana, it literally takes seconds as compared to Ethereum, where it could literally take 10, 20 minutes, an hour, 2 hours. We don't even know sometimes, as during peak hours of transactions, Ethereum is terrible. Another problem that Solana solves are the transaction fees that are super cheap. I'm talking like pennies within a dollar, as Ethereum fees, like it says here, can literally range from $10 to $50 per transaction, or even higher, over $100 per transaction if you are swapping a large amount. With super quick transactions and super low fees, we have seen the meme ecosystem explode on Solana. I mean, if you go to Dex Screener, literally the trending coins of like that top 100 are literally all from Solana. I mean, if I even find one Ethereum coin here, that is like rare. I see one base coin, not even Ethereum, and one sweet coin. So the Solana ecosystem with memes has grown so much, especially with Pump.fun. I mean, it's so easy to create coins on Solana, have it trend on Dex Screener because everything is just so popular. Everyone wants the new meme coins through Solana. Between the quick transactions and low transaction fees, Solana has just become the meme network of this cycle. And looking at Solana's chart on a higher time frame, I mean, Solana literally went as low as $10 during the bear market and is now at $250. But I do think that this cycle, we can literally see Solana go anywhere from $500 to $1,000, which puts it anywhere from a 2 to 4x. And guys, this is also bearing the fact that Solana is a US-based coin. And with Trump as our first pro-crypto president and wanting to take away taxes for majors like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, I mean, the list for why Solana will do so well this cycle just keeps on growing. If you guys do your own research on Solana, you will find literally hundreds of reasons why the Solana ecosystem is so bullish, especially this cycle. So the second $2,500 of this 10K investment would go into Sui, which is the number 13 coin in the world right now, sitting at around $4.75, which puts it around just above a $14 billion market cap. So Sui, which is another US-based coin, literally comes from the developers of Facebook's Diem project. And this was a project where they wanted to make their own coin during COVID, but it never really happened, which ended up leading to them creating Sui in 2023. I mean, people are even calling for Sui to be a Solana killer, which I don't think is going to happen. But remember, Sui is literally like 1/6 the size of what Solana is right now. So all that shows is that Sui has so much room to grow. And Sui also has super quick transactions and super low transaction fees, which just aligns with Solana doing the same thing against Ethereum. And if we take a look at Sui's chart, this coin was literally under $1 back in the summer and has put in almost a 10x, actually did a 10x, reaching $5 at one point. And it's actually a really good thing that Sui has such quick transaction fees, as we literally even saw Phantom Wallet experience a really high volume during Trump's coin launch over the past weekend, which was on Solana, and the transactions even on Solana got stuck. So Sui having even quicker transactions than Solana makes me even more bullish on it. However, Sui being still under $5, I think that this could at least hit $25 to $50 this cycle. This makes me give Sui anywhere from a 5 to 10x this cycle. Next, I would put $2,000 of the 10K into Pepe, which is currently the number 26 coin in the world and the 3rd largest meme coin. We also even saw Pepe get listed on Robinhood on November 13th of 2024, which is just a little bit over 2 months ago. And for those of you that don't know, Robinhood is like the #1 investing app, and it's mostly for stocks, but when crypto gets added on Robinhood, that's where we see all the liquidity flow into it. I'm sure some of you are probably wondering why I didn't put Ethereum in this list, and I kind of did, but I didn't. So Pepe is going to be my Ethereum beta, and this is the reason. If you look at these two charts, up on the top we have Ethereum, and down below we have Pepe. So if you could kind of already see what's going on here, Pepe literally trades as Ethereum beta. The only difference is that when Ethereum goes up, Pepe goes up, but at a much larger percentage. If I look at this last jump here from Ethereum, we see that it puts in literally almost like a 68% spike. But when Ethereum goes up 68%, we then have Pepe that puts in over a 200% move. So Pepe is literally just a leverage bet on Ethereum. So if you are bullish Ethereum, then you must be bullish Pepe, which will put in greater returns. So if you think Ethereum might go to 10K and do a 3x this cycle, that just means Pepe will outperform Ethereum and put anywhere from a 5 to 15x or even greater. Trump's World Liberty Fi, which is his crypto investment portfolio, literally bought $47 million of ETH to celebrate his inauguration as the 47th president. So we have a pro-crypto president literally investing $47 million of Ethereum. So also being bullish on Ethereum makes me even more bullish on Pepe, and sitting around a $6.7 billion market cap, I do think that Pepe can do anywhere from a 5 to 15x this cycle. The next $1,000 of this 10K, which brings us to a total of $8,000 so far, will be put into Brett, which is the number 102 coin in the world right now, sitting around just under 10 cents and just under a $1 billion market cap. For those of you who have been watching my channel, I've talked about Brett a lot and why it's going to do very well. But for those of you that are hearing about it for the first time, it is basically a beta play to Pepe. And Brett, just under $1 billion market cap, is literally 1/7 the size of Pepe. And Brett is also on base, which we haven't even had a base season yet, so there is a lot of room for Brett to grow. So if you go to the Brett website, it's not currently listed on Robinhood or Coinbase, but you can see it's listed on so many other exchanges, which is really good. And it's not really an if, but more of a when it will get listed on Coinbase, with the potential to even get listed on Robinhood. And if that happens, then we could see Brett do some crazy numbers this cycle. So Brett sitting at around a $1 billion market cap, or just under 10 cents, I honestly do think can go anywhere from 50 cents to $5, which would give Brett anywhere from a 5 to 50x this cycle. The next $1,000, which would bring us to now 9K out of 10K, would go into Giga Chad or Giga. What makes my conviction so high on Giga is this chart right here. This is the monthly chart for Giga on Deck Screener, and as you can see, Giga has had 12 straight green monthly candles with a 13th green monthly candle loading. And I have not seen this in any single other coin that I have researched. And of course, one of my favorite KOLs, Must Stop Murad on Twitter, I mean, literally in his wallpaper on Twitter, he has the Giga Chad meme. And if you go through his Twitter, he is literally consistently posting bullish posts about Giga, just like this one right here during this Black Swan event with Trump's coin coming out over the past weekend. Giga has had the least amount of drawback from any other coin on his list. So currently sitting around a $750 million market cap, I do think Giga has the potential to reach Murad's prediction of 50 billion. So that's why I'm going to be giving Giga anywhere from a 10 to 65x this cycle, which would put it anywhere from a 7.5 billion to a $50 billion market cap. And the last $1,000 of this 10K will go into Murad's golden pick of this cycle, the SPX 6900. And I've talked about SPX in like several videos already explaining the thesis behind this coin, but I'm just going to highlight a couple of those key points right now. So this is a tweet from Murad's Twitter, and what this shows are the percentage of holders with over $1,000 worth of value in their wallets. And if we take a look at this list, the SPX literally has almost 50% of its holders with over $1,000. And look at this list of all these other coins. I mean, no one really even comes close on this list. And that is just one of like a million different reasons why Murad has chosen SPX. So I really encourage you guys to go on Murad's Twitter and just take a look at some of the tweets and some of the reasons why he thinks SPX is going to perform so well this cycle. But anyway, getting back to the chart, now Murad thinks that the SPX can literally hit a $100 billion market cap, and seeing Trump's coin get $20 billion in market cap over the weekend just shows that honestly, anything is possible, especially over the next 6 to 12 months. So sitting at just around a $1 billion market cap, slightly over, I am going to give the SPX 6900 anywhere from a 10 to 100x. So bringing it anywhere between a 10 to $100 billion market cap this cycle, which is why I think that $1,000 into the SPX 6900 will definitely be in your favor. And that is where I would personally invest $10,000 into the crypto market at this moment. Another thing with these coins, guys, if you do invest in these coins or any coins, please, please, please make sure you take profit along the way up. Don't just wait for it to go to 10 billion, 100 billion before checking it all out, because you are going to get wrecked that way. Trust me, never wait for the top. Make sure you take profits along the way up, and then always leave a moon bag for what your prediction is. But remember, guys, none of this is financial advice. Make sure to do your own research, do your own due diligence with any of these coins or any coins that you see online, and create your own convictions on why you should go and invest in them. Because crypto is crazy. Only put in money that you expect to lose. Expect every dollar you put in crypto to go to zero. Now, I know the potential is literally unlimited, but crypto is so volatile, you can't expect to always make money with crypto. You have to be very smart with what you do and how you go about investing your money. However, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something. I do have a free Discord where I share my thoughts on the markets. I give TA market analysis on all types of coins. You guys can join that through the link in my bio. This is absolutely free right now, so take advantage in it. You guys can go in and ask me any questions. I check it daily, so I will answer any of them. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, like the video, and as always, I will see you in the next one.